To indicate future actions or events. Will do, will happen, will be. I will do my homework after dinner. The concert will happen next month. The meeting will be held at 3 p.m. To express willingness or intent. Will help, will participate, will assist. I will help you with your project. She will participate in the event next weekend. He will assist with the presentation. To make promises or offer assurances. Will come, will be there, will bring. I will come to your party on Saturday. They will be there to support you. I will bring the snacks for the meeting. To make requests or suggestions. Will you help? Will you join? Will you give me a hand with this task? Will you help me carry these boxes? Will you join us for dinner tonight? To indicate a strong likelihood or certainty. Will definitely, will probably, will surely. The project will definitely be completed on time. He will probably arrive by 6 p.m. She will surely pass the exam with her hard work, to show a habitual or regular action. Will usually, will often, will always. I will usually take a walk after lunch. They will often visit their grandparents. He will always bring flowers for special occasions. Common collocations with will go, will come, will make, we will go shopping tomorrow. She will come to the office later. He will make an announcement during the meeting.